Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Welcome back to Jew Empires. Guys, for you guys, this thing concern health matter. This one concern health matter. Oh. Things they happen now. Babes, guys, mommy, daddy, people say that they use as like anything concern tube for as in anything they produce. Now say they maybe tea like tube, maybe like sachet, maybe ripening salt. You say you know say you go open the expiring date, maybe all those kind of products. Fake one full everywhere now. This one not be say I smart, not be say I mean learn it pass or maybe na see, I'm using this one as example now. There are something like this, for example, now. This is two. This is a two product. The fake ones are in markets now. This one not be matter of country, not a matter of regions, matter of states. Fake ones they now. Chocolate or anything. Make I just anyway. I will play the videos of the ones if you say when I go see now. Say they will just a pass. Fake products are all over everywhere now. Expired products. If you buy something like this now, you know say you go feel open am, just try make sure say you open this place you say they always dey fold this place, make sure you open it like this and check it if they write it with fake one. Make sure you go through the NAFDAC number, but whatever any country you are buying those things from, make sure you check your expiring number, check your country number, whatever, any people that used to label that particular product, check it. They are fake products now. Even chemist, pharmacy, there are a lot of fake products inside. Even the health sector now, they are selling fake products. So as make I just come announce this thing for now. Babe say that they use tube, anything concerning tube, like chocolate, like anything you say you know say it carry container. Maybe buy something now, the thing carry all those serial number. They say maybe now they put the label. Please open it. Open it first and check if there is another number under it. Open it and check if there is another number under it. That one answer I won't tell you. A very brief video, a very brief message. So now I'm not gonna watch other ones. Say people buy, say it get expiring dates. Even some of them they wrap the thing don't expire. They can't use another one wrap pan. Because you say maybe that NAFDAC number and the real one, or maybe the date you say they on top of them, now the real one. Meanwhile, the product don't expire. They use another new one to wrap it. So when you are eating anything, biscuits, anything that you are applying on your skin, whether it's medicine, make sure you check. That person that they cover, you say they write the date put. Make sure you open it and check if there is another number under it. Now what did they do with that? They will carry another recent date, take cover the expired one, so that you no go understand. Mommy and dad make una check very well. Reactions everywhere. After this my message now, I will see the videos and people say that they get reactions, that they buy things, say they give them reactions for body. So make una just take wanna take care and make una dey very careful and make you dey vigilant before you drink any drugs, before you apply any tube, before you even take anything, chocolate, biscuit, anything. Make sure you check it. Expiring ones dey rampant now. This is a matter of states, matter of country. Expiring product is going round now. And remember, people they do smuggling. Now they smuggle all these things enter countries. So any country say for the watch, you make sure say you check things now. As we speak now, many people are getting reactions. Many people are buying fake things, fake expiring, as in fake dates, fake labels, fake body cover. Now in the market now. So be warned and check. So make I leave the video for now. Make una watch it. My dear, before I come out, before you watch the video, if na your first time visit the Jew Empire with this, try make you use your finger. If na Facebook or if na YouTube or try make you like or make you subscribe. God bless you guys. Meet you guys on my next message. Saturdays, 8 p.m. God bless you. I don't know your own time, but for my own time, 8 p.m. Thank you, and God bless. So enjoy the next video. And whatever that is your own opinion, drop it on my comment section. Thank you.
Did you squeeze something? And the funny thing is, what is inside is not even something that you're supposed to be rubbing on your face.
Jesus, they just wrap the paper.
See now.
Who did this kind of? They should arrange that kind of person.
See. Like, it's so wrong on all levels.
You see, your people will miss.
Permitting. Don't remove it fully. Don't remove it fully. She still wants to return it. Even the permitting gun is expiring soon.
See, where did she buy it?
See, this will prep for us and the day, should not talk about it, it's just becomes something else.
You know, say some kind time, so you get to kind of space you go see like this, the thing go just deal like say, you go be like saying I'm film for your eye, my dear. You get what I see for Facebook when it be say, as in like, you know one thing, I don't know how people they take their life as in like they could just look and say life not be anything to them. Somebody you go, okay, like as like you come out for house, you say you go work for money. You don't forget say you get family. You don't forget say you get brother. You don't forget say you get wife. You don't forget say you get sister. You don't even forget say you even get your own life. As like you get right to even live your own life. You're not even supposed to like use your own hand, take on end your life and be say God never everyone collect am. You know what it bring me come here? You get one last man when I see for my as like I see the thing for Facebook. The thing I look and say, wait, so this man now, this money when he be say we make anyway, I will put the video make una see and chow. The question I could answer be say, this man when he be say he do this thing so this man now he go tell me now say in they work this work for government of Nigeria now in they do the work for or this kind of risk when you take for this particular thing now you take it for your own life. I be not understand because somebody need to say he value your own life. You know go take this kind of risk for anybody. You understand? We don't say like this now, so the driver feel they wrong. But the whole situation now be say, you know the way drivers they do their things. You know the way drivers be. Some drivers they don't smoke, come up for house for the even enter road. So even though say you feel say you be Hong Kong, they go come out you for road. Talk less of say you carry your own life, go hang up for window of motorway they drive, or because say I know as in like for the whole people when you say as in like because one thing when I look now you say before this man drive past, you know be the only last man when you say he stand for road. Your other last man did it, but now you won't come show us now say now you be the Spider-Man. If you gum, if you carry your body gum the vehicle, if you catch the vehicle, if you wait vehicle they move. So if you allow this one go, you know go see another vehicle, abi. You know go see another person hold. Because imagine this kind of risk where you take. You know if you remember your family, you don't remember your papa, you don't remember your mama, you don't remember friends, you know if you remember your own life. Say even if you take your own life, if you misuse your own life, even your own life go vex for you before God will come even give you your own judgment. Now you carry your body, shingon motor where they go, you dead there until you can't fall out. Imagine say when you fall come up for that vehicle can't climb you. You feel say the driver go wait. If the driver no wait, make you hold down, you dey drive dey go. If you say as you fall now, oga, if you say as you fall now, federal government will come pay your family any money. Now then your salary go take end o. As you fall, say they go even abandon you for hospital. You go dey use crush. E get where they go even look your matter reach, they go abandon you for there. And meanwhile, driver don go. Even though say they catch the driver, they go only put the matter for court. When they judge the matter for court, the driver get 4 legs. The driver get 4 legs. Everybody go die, but untimely death is not good. Anyway, my people, I no fit talk too much like this because when I never see the video. Make I play this video. You say this man, this last man, fit say in life na paper because of say won't collect highest. Something go collect no pass 100 naira, maybe 5,000. Even though na million, this man won't collect. this million go fit buy your life. If you enter windshield, if mistakenly say motor dey come as you fall comot for the lorry so, then motor climb you, wetin you go tell your generation? Wetin you go tell your family? Wetin you go tell your wife? Wetin you go tell your children? Wetin you go tell your life sef? Wetin you go tell am? My brother, my sister, make I play the video, make una see wetin person say, as in like person say e get memory, person say e comot for house for money say e dey go work, make una see wetin person do, all in the name of say in wear yellow, and abi na wetin be that yellow, and I no fit understand the color of this trouser wey he wear, as they say, because all in the name of government of Lagos, all in the name of last man, all in the name of Agbero, because once I look and say some of them na the Agbero attitude na they follow them, even when they get better job, the Agbero attitude they monitor them. Make una watch the video.
Is it what they send you?
On this last
okay,
man,
last man, wow.
Last man, wow.
Yeah?
Last man, wow.
Oh, he won't brush the guy. The guy won't fall down.
The guy don't eat. Jesus. Jesus.
They go your own. I'll go even cover for now.
Shebu na don wash am now, I don see the way be abi. Abeg make I no vex. If I go even talk with I wan talk, abeg. If na your first time till they come across me be this now. This one na girl, Jew Empire, say they talk for Jew blogs and anywhere, Jew Empires. If na Facebook, if na YouTube, abeg me no forget, make you help me share, make you help me, make you touch subscribe, or make you help me like my page. Una don see the video now. Una don see how person like this carry, you know, as in I know that even some people say they don't even sell their life. They don't sell them. Because if somebody never sell a life, if you never sell your life, collect money for winch, you don't go fit do this kind of thing. Even though say na your own job, even on your own work, they not go give you award if you die. Federal government don't go give you award. How many last man now federal government don't give award for Lagos? How many last man? My own that say, one gonna just check, I'm gonna answer. Imagine say another motor they speed they come. What did happen to this guy? Or imagine say come take his head, come hit her for Krota. She go die there. Driver go. And all these driver themselves. All these driver themselves, on a conscious self, and no new one don't sell and put. Some of them they drive lorry. That's why they keep people for Lagos Express Road, Ibadan Express Road, Bini bypass. Now they even they care. Now they care. Now when maybe they tell drivers, say if I decide any motor they travel, they go Lagos, maybe they go anywhere. I will tell drivers, I beg. If you see lorry, give them a chance. Because I don't see and say they smoke. I don't. Why do they take cocaine? No. Why do they take I how do they call all those their drugs? If I'm not from drugs, anything you consume over now abuse. They feel carry food share, put that for mouth, finish them. As they enter steering, everything they see now ants. Everything they see now ants. If you want to try to overtake them, they go overtake you. They will overtake you too. That's why they go push you inside bush. You and your motor will go bonfire or fall inside pits. You understand? I've been Maragina, I've been Maraguna, I've been Maragina. They call the cocaine name. I've been they will call it. They take. That and their brain remain ting go the sight. Anything they see for road now ants. It be like ants to them. It be like goats. It be like bird. They're ready to hit. Now you will say they're normal. Because your own you say be driver now you be half normal human being. Because me I don't say from the rules and regulation of I be from the policy, I be from the learning of driving. They say every driver na mad person. So now you say all the drivers na mad people. Who can cure each other? Not be when you see them. They say because you say they use a normal leg they work. Now you be normal human being. As you see them, you go shift because they say all driver na mad people. So mad people world that drivers be. So when as they call them as they be mad people, so mad person, some sense, some people they get sense there inside. So when one mad one they come, the other mad one say get sense, go shift for them. Now so them be. Then you will say you be last man now. So when you will say now they even they teach them how to get driving license, whatever. Now even they say that some of them they even they give them lecture. Say all drivers now mad people. Now you can follow the mad people. They jump enter window of lorry where they move. Now you yourself now you be the psychiatric hospital doctor. Now you come mad follow them. My brother, my sister, I not get too much I won't talk. Before I will go to my next news, I beg. If na your first time wait till they see me, this one na Drew Empires, I beg. Make you not forget to touch like. If na Facebook, oh, then if na YouTube, they follow me. I make me not forget to help me touch subscribe. And make you also not forget to touch notification bell button. Whether na for Facebook, oh, whether na for YouTube, oh, make you not forget to touch notification bell button, so that anytime when I bring any updates like this concerning that happen for this our obodo Nigeria and the other obodos, I beg, so you will get notification. May God bless you as I enjoy the video. Make we meet for my next message. Make una remain blessed and Drew Empires with the waka they go. Make I go to the next message. Now bye.